Updates. This is Kelvin once again. So this is the account that I was trading since Sunday. So I deposited $13.99 last week. Look at the date, 2026 January 18, which is last Sunday, and today is Friday. So I was able to grow this account to like 70. The balance was around 70 dollar, from 13.99 to $70. um and then yeah, but today I took trades, and then I was in profit of like, I've lost so far today about $28. Yeah, so which means, yeah, the balance was around 60 something, yeah, 68, close to 70, something like that. But I was trying to trade US 30 today. So these were my trades, and then the entry I was trying to get, it didn't hold. So I had to forcefully close in order to save the account. But yeah, so I took three entries on US 30, and then all of them went. I was trying to risk, is it $30? Yeah, because my balance was around 60, is it 68 or something, like close to 70? Yeah, so I was trying to risk $30, and it didn't go well. It hit the stop loss, and I saw a chance to take a new entry, give a second chance to the setup, after price came back to the entry. That sounded like it also wanted to drop, go against me, so I had to close. And then I waited, and have still got the opportunity to take a new entry or another entry. Yeah, so I want to see, yeah, so you can see, this is the 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour bearish candle is the candle that disrupted the whole setup. I was buying from somewhere here. Yeah, so let's see if this entry is going to work out. If this current 1 hour candle rejects down or closes bearish, I'm going to close again, and it means that totally this setup has been invalidated. And if I have a bigger capital, I don't think I would have closed even the early entries, but I don't want to risk more than the capital profit that I've made so far. But at the end of the day, I can see that overall the $13.99 is in profit of $27, which is still good. This is like 200% profit in about 6 days, yeah, or like 5-6 days of trading, which is still good. So I think there is some progress here. So I made, and then I wanted to leverage on the capital and to try to risk more on it and make more, but it didn't go well. The setup is not is still, the setup can still play out. I want to buy, I'm trying to buy US 30, and I think that should move with what's the name, the Nasdaq, right? Nasdaq. So yeah, the Nasdaq is at a place where it's likely to just do the breakout. It's been struggling to break out and give a new higher high. So this, the chance it has to be able to do that. So let's see if it will do it. It pushed up, broke this resistance, and drops to retest in this imbalance. So let's see if it's going to do that. Once it's going to push up, US 30 will also end up moving up, because US 30 dropped so low, like too deep. So there could be some divergence here. The Nasdaq is up there, and the US 30 has dropped much more lower. So it could be that it will just fail, and price will just sell down from here. But there's higher high, there's price was bearish the beginning of this week, and we saw a shift, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, and the last important lower high here. Now price is trying to crash it. Okay, so this, it could just attempt crashing it, sweep liquidity below here, testing this area of this area here. You can see buyers were around this area before, right? Buyers were around this level also before. So you could just sweep this low and reject, stay up, and then just buy. So this is the context for me buying. But the moment it fully sweeps this area, then it means that we are shifting externally, we are shifting structure to go bearish. But the problem is that the Nasdaq is not showing that. Okay, the Nasdaq was not showing that. Yes, we have a break of structure here. This is the source that broke the structure. Price come back there to retest, makes a lower high, and then price is making a new higher high. So yes, until price, if price takes this low out, yes, we know that price is going to sell. But until then, price still has the chance to make a new internal lower high here, and then push up, and then continue going to the upside, breaking out to the upside. So these are all things that are influencing the trade. But at the end of the day, the account is for $27 in profit, and I'm watching it closely. Today is Friday. The market is already closing, but let's see what will happen before the market close. If I come to the next account, which is this account, I've been able to make the whole week. I've made $174. Yeah, so I was trading these two accounts at the same time until today. I decided to trade US 30 on the other account. So this was $14.99 deposit from last week. So the deposit day, I deposited this money the same day, 2026 on the 18th January 1, 2026, 14.99. So I deposited $30 and I split it into both accounts. This, I've been able to grow this account to 174. That's crazy. Today alone, I've made about $100 profit. And today, the $100 profit I made, I was trading USD JPY, buying Euro USD, and then also GBP USD. I was buying, and then I also took, I think, the US 30 buys. I took the buys here, but I was able to, I think I took only one position here, and I took 3 positions on the other account. But this one I closed on $9. Then I took I gave the second entry. Then I decided to close. So I didn't hold this. I didn't want to be holding on this. Decided to close here. But at the end of the day, the whole day for today is $100 profit, and the account for the week on 14.99 is has grown exceedingly in 1 week. In 5-6 days, I put the money in the account on Sunday, and today is Friday. So that's nice. So if I put all together, deposit like $30, and I'm in profit of about 200 bucks. So that's very, very nice. So I think, yeah, so I took new entries on US 30 for the new trade that I'm taking now, but it looks as if the trade is in loss right now, and so I'm going to go ahead to close so that I will, yes, so I said, if this whole 1 hour candle rejects, okay, because the last bearish 1 hour candle that invalidated the earlier buy entry that I was taking was this bearish candle. So once, and we see a support formed. We see a 1 hour candle pushing up, closing, a support formed. So this candle must be able to push up and close above the body of the last bearish candle that came down. Okay, so the reason why I took the entry is the entry is exactly as the earlier entry I was taking. So I didn't want to miss that entry. And yeah, so I just took the entry. But a more safer way would have been to wait to see a close above this last bearish candle body up, then I could take the entry on the retest. But like I said, the market is already closing, and we might not have enough movement today. So I'm going to hold it a little bit and see if it's struggling to push up or close above. Then I'm going to close this trade. But so far so good. Balance is 190, equity is 180 right now. So we're good. We're good. We're good. Let me see this one too. Good. So we're good. So $30 to about $180. I think it makes sense for 1 week. So profit is about like $150, which is good. So that's the update I have for the trades that I took this week. And that's the way we do it. God bless you for watching, and if you have questions, please leave comments below and then we'll get in touch.